Hello everybody, this is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. This is my today's subject. I'm a photographer. I run a studio in Okinawa and this is one of the shot from our portrait studios. Okay, I got this image and also I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop. Used filter called Find Edges as always. Okay, now I'm gonna make image from these two images. Okay, so let's get started. Now I'm going to turn on this pencil drawing type image and change the blend mode. Normal to darken so we can see through underneath. And I'm going to turn this main photograph image tone down to about 35% now. Okay, then I'm going to move this layer in between these two images. Oh well, I changed my mind. I'm going to duplicate this layer. I'm on this image, pixel image. Choose oil paint detail, goes to 35 or so size, and paint mix 32. Okay, this is first time and no color, only texture of these pixels to outside. Does have this height, thickness. What do you say about this kind? You have the texture, but you just move around the pixels. Okay, it's kind of big, huh? So make it more smaller. Am I gonna all move around like smudging type? Sort of experimentation with drawing. Be careful with boy's face. I'm gonna just move around the color of the image, about outside of the body. I don't know what it's look like. Let's try on. Go for rough. Well, let's see. Change the brush. Oil paint flat. Level. Or I don't want this highlight inside, so in that case, oil paint glaze, so you don't see much. Yeah, I guess that's right. And go bigger. This is real rough. Pretty big brush. Mixing colors. Pretty interesting. This is interesting. Another study. Oil paint detail again. This one is mix 32 or oil paint glaze. This is small size. oil paint chunky. This size is 40. Does have brush texture, yes. That's so interesting. Yeah, move around. Wow, that's great. This is great. Be careful with the face now. I'm gonna move around this paint overall. I don't know, kind of mess, but let's see. That's kind of fun. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna go oil paint around. Pretty big size. This one is mixing 75. Take white, but go 50%. About. Now I have white in it. When you tap it, comes white ink. White paint, I mean. About here. Maybe more here. I should add white. Yeah, makes more white dress whiter. It makes cleaner look. I'm using oil paint around. Okay, I go more net rough, more detail. Less ink, less color. Well, try to make a little more bigger brushes, oil paint detail. That's. Gotta be careful on this. But you don't worry about this because we have base image keep in underneath of this image. So I'm gonna make mask to bring back to base photo image. But now I want to try. Let's see how it looks like. Show some textures. Canvas texture, you see here, this. Well, let's see, this is oil paint round, remember? So go a little more, bigger, and blend in to this outside. Now smooth it out using big brush. Change to round detail. Blend first. Now go back to oil paint round. Too smooth. Smooth it out. Okay, make it smaller. Now fingers. This is big size. Oil paint round, okay. Then go bigger. Then I'm gonna softly blend. Give it more smoother. Make it smooth, texture. Okay, now what's next? Next, well, this is I saw the image on this layer. Then I'm gonna make mask on, turn on this, then create empty mask, then invert mask. Now this one is mask just revealed. Let's see here. This is a canvas texture. Well, okay. Make it softer. Then let's see. I'm gonna reveal sharp image. And hands, fingers, make it softer, right? This one too. Softer look to show, fingers. I can touch up later. Okay, now I'm going to paint on this here with use oil paint round, which is biggest one maybe, I don't know. I like this yellow around there, around here. Oh, well, let's change oil paint chunky. What's this kind? Let's see. Check test. Pretty thin. That's interesting though. Take the color first, but second one doesn't go. Well, I guess that's it for today, and I don't know, is this oil paint look? I have background color here, real shadow color, lighten up, and I'm going to turn this pencil drawing image a little bit too thick, so go down to about 75, 50% or so. Do more soft. Then this is a mask. This is. So we see this oil paint layer more. Okay, well, thank you for watching my video, and I really appreciate for your support. I hope this video is gonna help your some creative work, and see you next time. Have a nice day, guys. Bye now. Ciao.